First trace the alphabet. Orange color, violet color, red color, blue color, green color, pink color, light green color, brown color, black color, yellow color. First brown color, V for vegetable, V for van, V for vase. Violet color, V for van, V for vegetable, V for vase. Light green color, V for vegetable, V for van, V for vase. Purple color, V for van, V for vase, V for vegetable. Brown color, V for vegetable. Violet color, V for van. Light green color, V for vase. Purple color, V for van. Thank you.